Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absorbing, absorbing, absorbing. Absorbing is an adjective used to describe something that is highly interesting, engrossing, or captivating. It's used to convey the idea that something holds your attention and is thoroughly engaging. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The novel was so absorbing that I couldn't put it down until I finished it. Why absorbing is used in example number 1. In this example, absorbing describes the captivating nature of the novel. Example number 2. The film's plot was so absorbing that the audience was on the edge of their seats throughout. Why absorbing is used in example number 2. Absorbing is used to convey how the film's plot held the audience's attention. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.